Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time viewing, consider to subscribe to this channel so that anytime you exciting video you notify. Okay, let's solve this simple question on the board. Please, after watching, ensure you share to loved ones so that others will learn from it. Okay, now look at what you are given on the board. We are given that 5 to the power of s minus 3 to the power of s equals to 15 equals to 16. Okay, we are asked to find the value of x. Now looking at this problem is very simple and interesting. I'm not going to fake anything here. I'm going to solve this problem using the mathematical aspect. Okay, now I am not wrong if I decide to write this 5 raised to the power of x as into 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x divided by 2 all raised to the power of 2. I'm not wrong if I decide to write 5 to the power of x as 5 raised to the power of x divided by 2 all raised to the power of 2, because by one of the properties of indices, these two will cancel at the denominator, so I will just have 5 raised to the power of x. I'm not wrong. Okay, that's why I say I want to approach this problem with mathematical aspect of mathematics. I want to approach with mathematical aspect. Okay, now I'm not wrong to write 3 raised to the power of x as minus into 3 raised to the power of x divided by 2 all raised to the power of 2 equals to what? And again, I'm not wrong to write this as 8 multiplied by 2, because 8 times 2 is is 16. Okay, I know some people say, sir, why is it that you don't use 4 times 4? Because you know that 4 times 4 is 16. Observe that this and this, you can see that 5 is greater than 3. So whatever s will be greater than, whatever s will be when you substitute it will be greater than this. Okay, now what are we going to do? Consider from here we are having difference of 2 square. But before we do that, let 5 raised to the power of x divided by 2 equals to p, and 3 raised to the power of s divided by 2 equals to q. So now this is p square, because the whole of this is now p, so we are having p square minus q square equals to 8 multiplied by 2. All right, now look at what we are going to do. From here you can see that we are having difference of 2 square, right? So you can write this as into p plus q into p minus q equals to 8 multiplied by 2. Now this is what I was looking for. Now observe very clearly that p plus 2, that means p plus q must be greater than p minus q, and again 8 must be greater than 2. Now you can see that p plus q is greater than p minus q. That means 8 is greater than 2. That's why you can see we are setting this mathematical aspect concept. Now when you product, you can see that this multiplied by this is equal to this multiplied by this. It means that mathematically that p plus q is equals to 8. Since p plus q is greater than this, that means, and 8 is greater than 2, that means p plus q is equals to 8. And again, p minus q is equals to 2. This is simultaneous equation. We can call this equation 1 and this equation 2. Let's solve for this value. Okay, now let's use subtraction so that we can eliminate p at. Okay, because p minus p is gone, which is 0. Then minus times minus will give us plus. So q plus q will give us 2q. So we are having here as 2q equals to 8 minus 2 will give us 6. Now for us to have the value of q, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of q, which is 2. So if we divide here by 2, also divide here by 2. 2 will go out, then q will be equals to 3. This is the value of q. But we are not asked to find the value of q, neither find the value of p. We are asked that what is the value of x. Why are we using q and p to solve this problem? We are using p and q to solve this problem so that this problem can be easily be solvable. Now let's recall, or let's find p. Let's find p, okay, because you're having p here. Let's find p. Now for us to find for p, solve for p, we have to substitute the value of p into any of the equation. So let's substitute into equation 2. So equation 2, you have that this is p minus what is q? Q is 3, so you have that q is 3 equals to 2. So by adding 3 to both sides, that means p is equals to 2 plus 3. That means p is equals to 5. This is the value of p. You can see that, but we are not asked to solve for p, neither q. We are asked that what is the value of x. Now let's recall that 5 raised to the power of x divided by 2 is equals to what? P. Okay, Now let's recall that 5 raised to the power of what? S divided by 2 is equals to what? P. Now we know that P is what? 5. Okay, so in place of P we are going to substitute the value of 5. So now see that 5 raised to the power of what? S divided by 2 is equals to what? 5, because the value of P is 5. Remember that the power here is 1. Let's equate the power since the bases are the same. We can do without them, let them settle themselves. Now see that S over 2 is equals to what? 1. Then by cross multiply, you see that S is equals to what? 2. This is the value of what? X. Now some people will wonder, sir, is it mean that when PQ is equals to 3, we see that the value of S as 2? Yes. If you don't have the value of S as 2, that means that problem is not valid. Okay, it's not right. If you substitute the value of Q and you're not having S as 2, that means the problem is wrong. Let's see. Note that again, that 3 raised to the power of P divided P raised to the power of S divided by 2 is equals to what? Q. We know that Q is what? Q is 3. So that means 3 raised to the power of what? S divided by 2 is equals to what? 3. Because Q is what? 3. Power here is 1. Let's equate the power since the bases are the same. Let them settle themselves. So now see that X divided by 2 is equals to what? 1. By cross multiply, S is equals to what? 2. So you can see that S is equals to what? 2. When we are using what? 3 or what? 5. So the solution to this problem is that S is equals to what? 2. And this is the solution to this particular problem. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you find it very interesting, don't hesitate. Do well to like, comment, and also share it to loved ones so others will learn from it. So thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye bye.